Hello. Our chicken wing dip is done. It smells delicious. We're gonna take it out. I'll give you a little zoom-o-vision, perhaps. Oh, I thought I was missing an earring. But guys, oh God, delicious, it's hot. Who wants a zoom? Do you want a zoom? Come on and zoom, 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 a zoom. Remember? Sub hubba freben, subba dubba hubba dubba 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 wubba wicked penny bubba. I don't know how to do it, but remember that show? Anyway, look. Oh guys. Chicken wing dip, the primo recipe. Anywho, I'm gonna scoop poo. No, not poo. That's gross. I'm gonna give me a scoopy poo. Okay, whatever. I'm so corny. Oh, I should have been brought up and born and raised in Iowa. Oh, hi, Jenny D. You live in Iowa? SD guy? I don't know. Kate, Nate? Y'all live in fucking the middle of nowhere. One of you has got to live in Ohio or Iowa. Anyway, guys. Oh, so creamy, so cheesy, delicious. Okay, so look, this is what chicken wing dip is supposed to look like, just like this. Not chopped up, not minced. No. It's gonna be so hot. Look at it steaming, weeming. Oh, guys, I got me a chip. We're gonna do, oh, I see a little blue cheese. Oh, guys, look at that. Oh my, a little bit of a money shot. Okay, look. We're going in? We're going in? Okay. Mmm. 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 Hot. But you already knew that, right? Not too spicy hot. Heat hot. So, guys, you got a lot of chew because it's the legit chicken, okay? You can chop it up a little finer if you like. But the cream cheese at the bottom, it's not all mixed in. It's a primo bite, just like that. Mm. Hey, you want to make it keto friendly? By all means, the veggies. Doesn't always have to be the tortilla chips, guys. But I'm gonna give you another close-up shot of this masterpiece. Oh my God, look. Can you see it? Oh my God, the layers of chicken wing dip goodness. Freaking amazing. All right, follow this recipe. Well, maybe you don't want to because then everybody will expect it the same way every time you come. But when people request something from you, it's a sign of love. So everybody, have a great day. Enjoy your Sunday. Well, it's only Wednesday, but enjoy your Sunday with this winner app. Not a dinner. Well, what is it? It is what it is. I'm not a rapper. I'm not a rhymer, but I trimer. Ah, okay, enough. I'm so corny. All right, have a great day. Peace.